Greetings, online hustlers. Welcome to our thriving community, where we unravel the secrets of making money online and mastering digital marketing strategies. Here, we delve into the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media, and more. Every week, we offer fresh tips, insightful tutorials, and proven strategies to elevate your online success. We are committed to helping you break free from the 9-to-5 grind. Remember, subscribing to our channel equips you with strategies for your journey to financial freedom. Today, we delve into a potent online money-making strategy, print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is a digital business model that allows you to sell custom designs on various products without holding any physical inventory. You create a design, upload it to a pod platform, and list a product for sale. When a customer places an order, the pod service handles everything from production to shipping, and you get paid. The benefits of print on demand are manifold. For starters, there are low startup costs since there's no need to invest in inventory or worry about unsold stock. You're also freed from the hassles of inventory management. Additionally, POD offers a vast selection of products to choose from, giving you the freedom to experiment and find what resonates with your target audience. From t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and wall art, the possibilities are endless. Print on demand provides a fantastic opportunity to generate passive income if you know how to maximize profits. Now it's time to reveal the strategies for maximizing profit with print on demand. Let's begin with the cornerstone of any successful print on demand business: unique designs. This industry is brimming with creativity, so to stand out, your designs must be original and eye-catching. Investing in a professional graphic designer can be a game changer, but if you're strapped for cash, online tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help you create stunning designs without breaking the bank. Understanding your target audience is another crucial strategy. You want to create products that resonate with your customers, and that can only happen if you understand who they are and what they want. Conduct market research, understand their preferences, lifestyle, and buying habits. This information will guide your product development and marketing strategies. Next up is pricing. It's a delicate balancing act. Price too high, and you might scare away potential customers. Price too low, and you might not make enough profit to sustain the business. The key is to find a sweet spot where your customers feel they're getting value for their money, and you're making a decent profit. Consider your production costs, competition prices, and perceived value when setting your prices. Promotion is the lifeblood of any business, and print on demand is no exception. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your products. These platforms offer advertising options that can help you reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers in your niche for more visibility. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. It's a tried and true method that can help you build a loyal customer base. Finally, consider selling on multiple platforms. Don't limit yourself to one marketplace. Each platform has a unique audience, and by selling on multiple platforms, you can reach more potential customers. Some popular print-on-demand platforms include Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify. Remember, success won't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with these strategies, you're well on your way to maximizing your profit potential in the print-on-demand industry. These strategies are the keys to the kingdom in the print-on-demand industry. Speaking of maximizing profits, I've got a secret weapon to share with you. It's none other than Copy. This tool is an absolute game changer for anyone venturing into the print-on-demand business. What's so great about Copy, you ask? Well, it's a tool that automates a significant chunk of your workflow, shaving off hours of manual labor. It helps you find trending designs, analyze competition, and even assists with keyword research. This way you can focus on creating unique and appealing designs without worrying about the nitty-gritty details of market research. Copy is your go-to companion for a successful print-on-demand business. It's not just about working harder, but working smarter. And with Copy, you're doing just that. If you're serious about turning your print-on-demand venture into a lucrative business, then Copy is your ticket. The link for this product is available below the video in the description. Copy is a game changer for anyone serious about maximizing profit in the print-on-demand industry. Now that you have the strategies and the secret weapon, it's time to put them into action. Let's dive into the practical side of implementing these profit maximization strategies in your print-on-demand business. First and foremost, remember the power of consistency. In the world of print-on-demand, consistency is what separates the fleeting from the flourishing. It's about regularly uploading new designs, tweaking your product offerings, and persistently promoting your brand. This routine of regularity helps in keeping your brand fresh, appealing, and in the minds of your customers. Next, let's talk about the art of testing. You see, not all strategies will work for everyone. What worked for one may not work for another. Therefore, it's crucial to test different strategies. Experiment with various design styles, try different price points, or even play around with different promotional methods. This approach of trial and error will lead you to the strategies that work best for your brand and your audience. The third point to keep in mind is the importance of continuous learning and adapting. The digital marketplace is like a river, always flowing, always changing. To stay afloat and succeed, you must be ready to learn new strategies, adapt to changing trends, and evolve your business practices. Make it a habit to read up on industry updates, participate in online forums, and engage with other print-on-demand business owners. This continuous learning will help you stay ahead of the curve and maximize your profits. And finally, patience is key. Success in print-on-demand, like any other business, is not instant. It requires time, effort, and a lot of perseverance. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep pushing, keep improving, and gradually, you'll see your profits grow. Remember, success in print-on-demand doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and the profits will follow. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the main points from today's video. We began by introducing you to the world of print-on-demand, an innovative and flexible business model that allows you to sell custom products online without the need for inventory. This model not only reduces your risk, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities. We then delved into the strategies to maximize your profit with print-on-demand. Key among these strategies is understanding your target market and designing products that resonate with them. It's about finding that sweet spot where your creativity meets their needs and desires. Another critical strategy we discussed is pricing your products appropriately. It's a delicate balance between setting a price that's attractive to your customers and ensuring you make a decent profit. Remember, it's not just about covering your costs, but also about valuing your time and creative effort. We also stress the importance of promoting your products effectively. This involves leveraging social media, incorporating search engine optimization techniques in your product descriptions, and building an engaging and user-friendly online store. Now let's not forget about HoppyCopy, a tool that can significantly enhance your print-on-demand business. HoppyCopy allows you to easily duplicate and customize your designs, saving you time and allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. It's a tool designed with your success in mind. And remember, the link for this product is available below the video in the description. We then moved on to the practical side of things, showing you how to implement these profit maximization strategies. We discussed how to identify your target market, design resonating products, price them effectively, and promote them to reach a wider audience. We also showed you how to use HoppyCopy to streamline your design process. Each of these steps, when implemented correctly, can significantly boost your profit margins and set you apart in the competitive print-on-demand industry. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a continuous learning mindset. With these strategies and the right tools like HoppyCopy, you're well on your way to carving out a profitable niche in the print-on-demand industry. Until next time, keep hustling.